Hello, and welcome to another edition of Coffee Break, where in 15 minutes or less, I will show you how to make a card or other project in the time it takes for you to have your coffee break. Cheers! Them good beans. This is our project for today, and it uses the Festive Post stamp set, which is in the fall holiday second half of the year catalog from Stampin Up for 2020. And by the way, my name is Sandy, and you may find me at needsaribbon.com. So yeah, I love this stamp set. It coordinates with our postage punch that's in the annual catalog, the big catalog. And I don't know, I have made so much with this. Hope you don't get tired of it, but part of it is the images are so simple and easy to use, and always when you coordinate with a punch, it kind of makes it almost dummy proof, if I might. Okay, so this is what we're going to make today, and like all my other coffee break videos, the recipe for the project will be at the very end of the video. And this one actually uses a technique which, if I can find the video, I will include it and share it. But this is, I made my own kind of glittery marbly paper. And so what I did was, yeah, that's the one, not that. So what I did was I took a whitewash of our glitter paint and water or alcohol on paper, and then I ran the paper through our subtles folder, and I hope that's showing up. So it makes it like textured marble. It's kind of cool. That was an idea. It came up all on my own. So I won't be showing you that here, but I will, if I can find the video, include it in this finished video additionally. So whoops, that so the ink that we are going to use is the gray granite. And much like my other cards, see, we're going to kind of stamp our own background. So what are my rules? Repeat them with me. Is odds and stamp off each edge to give it that more polished, finished look. So we're going to use the snowflake from the stamp set. Where did it go? Right there. And we'll do off the edges first. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I do 11. Then the next thing we need to stamp. Wow, I got super. I forgot to bring some scrap paper. That's okay. We need to stamp our deer. And you can tell by the pinkness of the photopolymer, I have well loved this stamp set. And again, this is kind of a tone-on-tone card. I thought that the gray granite went really well with this, I think it's the champagne foil that I used. Again, the recipe will be at the end. I forgot to include my greeting. Way to be organized. And we did enjoy the season. Okay. We could do to you and yours. Again, the greetings in this stamp set are just great. I need, we'll just, we'll peel that off and leave it there. Okay. Not insurmountable. I usually like to preload my stamps, kind of sneak it between his legs. There you go. That's the ticket. And now we need to punch out with our postage. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're going for it. I wonder how that happened. I think it was when I closed the ink pad. It goopered a little bit. So there we go. I showed you how to do it. I'm going to use one of these that I pre-done because that one was kind of ugly. And now we need some glue. We're going to attach it to our foil rectangle. And we're going to attach our marbly textury paper. I like this card. It's just kind of a simple classic look. And it's pretty, this one would be really quite easy to mass produce should you use something like this for your Christmas card. And I'm going to put some dimensionals on that right now. And there we go. We're going to need this in a moment. And we need to bring in our red ribbon. I am using the Real Red, English please, English double stitch satin ribbon. I can speak a little German and I can understand a little bit of, let's see, what have we got on there? German, Japanese, I believe. I don't think it's Chinese. I don't know. English, French, and German. Kind of our basic languages that our territories cover. We had Spanish briefly, but they were still primarily English speakers, so we've dropped a lot of that. Which makes sense. And we'll trim up our ribbon. Actually, most of these places can probably speak English better than us. Ha ha. Okay, we need to attach that. This card is almost done. We've still got a lot of time left on our coffee break. Woohoo! So yeah, again, this is a really easy one, and I've been kind of taking my time. And pop those dimensionals. Oops. Place that right there. And let's get a rhinestone on there. Kind of a little, just a little something to kind of give it dimension, a little bit more sparkle. And there we go. That is our card for today. And sorry, I think it's a little bit crooked. Still have time to fix that. So here is our project using the Festive Post stamp set. I hope you've enjoyed this. Stay tuned for the recipe coming. And again, if I can find the video on how to make this, and we'll see you later on the next video. Thank you. Okay, I'm making my own glimmer paper tonight using our Champagne Mist paint, shimmer paint, some rubbing alcohol, my precious bottle of rubbing alcohol, which my family doesn't need to know where I store because that's still a shortage. I'm using our old embellishment cups, an empty one. A very, oh, the price tag's gone. It's a paintbrush back in like 1988 or something. I think I paid $13, $14 for it even then. Anyway, a really nice brush, some white cardstock. I know the shimmer cardstock would probably do kind of the same thing. I will guess I'll have to be painting 2 sheets now because I didn't know they were stacked. And I'm just just kind of a light, I'm using rubbing alcohol so it dries quicker. And just kind of a light coating on the paper. That is it. Nothing fancy. I guess I should put what I'm doing on camera. That might help. And actually I can see better on camera what's not filled in. I tried using one of our little spritzers, and look it turned out kind of a gunmetal color. I'm not sure what's up with that, but it looked gross. So didn't work for this purpose. So that's it. And I'll set it aside to dry. I think I have one. Nope, that one's not dry. Let's see. Sorry, this is a bad video. This one's almost dry. And yeah, I just kind of wanted a sparkly, marbly look. And then I'll cut it into pieces for projects. Carrera marble, maybe? Thanks. Bye.